Video editing is important because it allows us to combine images and audio to make us feel incredibly connected to the video we are watching. Without a doubt, video editing is one of the most important methods in the digital and content marketing industries. To make a high-quality video, you'll need software that allows you to edit, apply visual effects, add animation and graphics, and save files in almost any popular video format. The video editing software is very simple to use. It is essential for optimal flow, finding paths to success, shifting scenes and ideas, sound editing, and audio flows. In this video, we bring you some of the best video editing softwares you should be using to make the best videos. Welcome to WeGotMedia. We are a multimedia agency that offers professional services and training in all areas of digital media such as graphic design, video production, audio production, and digital marketing. This channel is dedicated in providing free informational tips and easy tutorials on how to make digital content using various software in the digital media space. Number 1. Adobe Premiere Pro. Adobe Premiere Pro provides a user with a service that is both appealing and versatile. Adobe Premiere Pro has earned its place as well-known video editing software due to its familiar nonlinear editing interface, incomparable ecosystem of tools, and tremendous capabilities. Many features have been updated, and new ones have been added since last year, such as new text, HDR support, graphics, and audio tools to improve performance. Because of these features, the editor is a professional-grade tool. Adobe strives to improve the interface and introduce cutting-edge features in small steps as it develops its professional video editing software. It includes novel features such as connected clips, auditions, and a trackless timeline to make managing and editing easier. Some of the features of Adobe Premiere Pro are: 1. It has a friendly interface which can be customized. 2. It has many organizational tools. 3. Premiere Pro has an excellent stabilization tool. Number 2. Final Cut Pro. Final Cut Pro is Apple's professional video software. Final Cut Pro has been completely redesigned to help you generate at breakneck speed. It combines video production with strong media management and outstanding performance. It improves the stability of AC3 audio playback. Using the Final Cut to complete your work with fair and smooth results is advantageous. It also aids in the upkeep and organization of your materials. Some of the features of Final Cut Pro are: 1. It has a magnetic, trackless timeline. 2. It has superior organization tools, including libraries, ratings, tagging, and auto-analysis for faces and scenes. 3. FCP supports 360-degree footage and wide color spaces. Number 3. DaVinci Resolve 16. DaVinci Resolve Studio 16 introduces a new cut page for editing, color management, Fusion VFX, and audio post-production. For a long time, Resolve has evolved from market color grading software to a more comprehensive post-production tool. Resolve combines all of these advanced features into a single software package. Simply select the tab containing the toolset you want to use. Resolve also has a strong collaborative process and a number of control systems, such as the Resolve Editor keyboard. Some of the features of DaVinci Resolve 16. 1. It has lots of editing tools for precise control. 2. Its interface is clear and well designed. 3. DaVinci includes motion graphics and audio editing, which are separate apps in other pro editors. Number 4. Blender. Blender is now used in a number of short films, commercials, TV shows, and feature films. This is made possible by improved design and animation techniques. B-spline interpolated bones, envelope, skeleton, and automatic skinning are among the animation tools available. It provides storyboarders and 2D artists with unprecedented production flexibility. Combine 2D and 3D right in the viewer by using layers and colors for stroke and fill. Python is in charge of Blender's user interface. Shades, shapes, and even text can be customized. Use the dozens of add-ons created by the community or create your own using Blender's Python API. Some of the features of Blender are: 1. It has a strong set of modeling tools. 2. It has digital sculpting capabilities included. 3. The powerful Cycles renderer renders your file pretty fast. 4. Blender is a free and open source tool. Number 5. Movavi Video Editor Plus. Movavi is a fantastic tool for bringing your creative visions to life and sharing them with the rest of the world. To make your clips stand out, use effects, animation, and pre-made intros. Chroma key enables you to easily change the background of your videos to whatever you want. The graphical interface has been updated, and it is so simple to use that there is no need to learn anything new. Files can be analyzed and displayed in a fraction of the time. With Movavi, you can choose simplicity over complexity when creating videos, creating, attracting, and inspiring others with Movavi software rather than other professional software with difficult settings and variations. Some of the features of Movavi Video Editor Plus. 1. Movavi has added both automatic and manual audio fix capabilities, as well as new sound effects like overload, oscillation, and vibrato. 2. Its motion tracking allows you to follow an object or person around the screen with an effect, object, or even another video. 3. The software now supports LUTs and lets you adjust hue, temperature, and tint. You can also use a dropper to adjust white balance. Number 6. Wondershare Filmora. You can start making your amazing clip with Filmora. Wondershare Filmora is a straightforward video editor that includes all of the tools you'll need to create Hollywood-style film clips with labels, textures, and animations from any clip, sound, or image source. To edit and personalize clips, you can use tools like divide, cut, resize, twist, apply fade in and fade out, change the time, and more. To improve your clip, use contrast, opacity, sharpness, and hue techniques. With a camera and microphone, you can capture video and audio with a single touch. Use speed up, slow down, and voice expanded version to make audio-video processing more enjoyable. Some of the features of Wondershare Filmora are: 1. Easy to create a video within a few minutes with Filmora Instant Mode. 2. Easy start with built-in Filmora preset template to make a creative video. 3. Matching the footage with music will no longer be hard with Filmora Auto Beat Sync. 4. Adjust your video speed with better control of your keyframes to create unique cinematic effects. 5. The preset word art and advanced text editing tools make it easy and quick to add creative titles to your videos. Number 7. Avid Media Composer. Avid's top-tier video editing software for Windows and Mac, Media Composer Ultimate, is not for the faint of heart. Although the interface is instantly recognizable to anyone who has used any other type of video editing software, its customizability will please those who are interested in creating the ideal work environment for them. It also supports multiple languages, though only English is installed by default. Some of the features of Avid Media Composer are: 1. This software is a powerful and comprehensive program with a plethora of professional possibilities and effects. 2. The free version includes many of the paid edition's features. 3. This is a fantastic way for beginning filmmakers to get started on the Avid software in all sorts of different ways. 4. This software works on both Macs and PCs. 5. This software can be customized to fit your specific needs. Number 8. Corel Video Studio Ultimate. Corel Video Studio Ultimate accomplishes video editing admirably and is jam-packed with powerful video editing tools. Stop motion, multicam editing, motion tracking, time remapping, video masking, and audio ducking are all supported. Some of the features of Corel Video Studio Ultimate are: 1. It offers an array of tools to edit facial features. You can use basic controls to improve or clear skin, modify face dimension, and even eye size. 2. It allows you to create GIFs to show emotions and instantly share highlights and over-the-top scenes across all websites. 3. You can create transitions that mix scenes all together and edit them to look more realistic or spectacular. 4. It has face indexing, analyzes video utilizing face detection to instantly detect and remove material for each individual in your film, saves time, and streamlines the editing process. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel for more informational videos related to the media industry. See you in the next video.